Hi guys, it's Dahana again. Welcome. If it's your first time, welcome. Please consider clicking the subscribe button and clicking the bell to be notified when I post a video. If you are a returning subscriber and or viewer, thank you so much. I truly do appreciate your time that you are spending with me. My channel is about planning, life, projects, all kinds of goodies. I always come up with something new. And of course, you guys can always let me know what you're thinking about and what you like to share and what you would like for me to share if I can speak today. So today I have a really fun video. For the year of 2023, I started planning quarterly. Not for the entire 3 months, but what I mean is I'm staying in a planner for the quarter. If it doesn't work at the end of the quarter, I will switch. And that's kind of what happened, except for it was way past due. So first, let me show you the planner that I am moving out from. And it's this beauty. I actually love this planner a lot. I bumped into this very accidentally. There was a sale with Franklin Covey. There was 2 of these. This one actually had been already returned once. But I love it. I love the smell of it. It smells like leather. Currently, I have it in a with personal wide rings. If you guys would like a flip through of this planner, let me know down below and I'll be more than happy to show you. I actually was in this planner for about 7 months. It started in June of last year and I stayed in it until probably the mid of February, until I hit a bump and I started feeling a little detached from this planner. At that point, I thought, well, maybe it's just the time for me to consider setting up a few other planners, which I did. At the time, this felt, and this is, I don't even know how this happened. Please let me know down below if you guys end up in the same situation. This, because there's something odd about this, even I will say. So the reason why I started is I just felt disconnected from the planner. I don't know if it was the inserts. I don't know if it was the planner itself. I'm not sure. It might have been all kinds of things. So what I decided is to set up a few different sizes, and I did. So I'm going to start by showing you this A6 Aurora Estelle that I have. I have 2 sizes of this. I have a personal wide and I have the A6 size. I love this planner. It's beautiful. I love the strap and the capability of being able to strap it over if you need to. And I love the capability of being able to put TN books in here. Now, it's been a very long time since I have set up a TN. That was one of the things I was considering setting up, but I ended up changing my mind. If you guys are interested in seeing a flip through of how I set this planner up, once again, let me know down below. I set it up. It's currently set up. I didn't pick this planner when I was done. There's something about setting these planners up that just encourages me and makes me find what is that I am attaching to. And unfortunately, this beauty did not win this contest, or it did not win for this quarter. But it is prepped and ready to go. The other one is this beautiful Moterm pocket, and this is the pocket for the Pocket Plus. For the inserts are Pocket Plus, and this is the wider one, the one that you can insert the, is it 1 1/4 rings? So it's a very, you can really fill this up. Part of the reason why I set this up is I really wanted something more portable for me to carry around. Not because I don't like to carry my personal wide or my Franklin Covey. I was gifted a bag, and unfortunately, I was afraid that I was going to scratch the Franklin Covey. So I'd rather go with something like this and prevent the Franklin Covey from scratching. So that's part of the reason. And then I went ahead and set up something that I have never, ever used. And I hope you guys can see this. I am recording a little different than usual, so if you guys want to let me know how you feel, let me know. Maybe that's a little bit better picture with the light. So I am working on my recording setup, so Please, I appreciate your patience. Let me know what you guys think. This is a half letter disc bound planner. I have never used a half letter disc bound planner. I've used the large happy planner or the big happy planner, the classic happy planner, and the mini happy planner, and unfortunately none of them have actually worked. I actually do have a big happy planner that I use the same cover, which is a tulle cover. I actually received this cover today. So I wanted to show you the way I wanted to show you the way the planner was set up originally, but I went ahead and put it into these rings and put the cover because I wanted to see how it looked and it felt. I'll tell you right off the back, putting these covers made me go into a larger disc, and these are the Happy Planner Silver Metal Expander discs. And the only reason why I had to move into it is because of the cover. And currently you can probably see the cover is actually a little slanted. It pops open. This planner is filled to the max. But I will say, I've been using the half letter for about almost 3 weeks and I love it. I know it's larger. I am in the middle of deciding if I'm going to keep the cover. It just came in today. I like the black, but I do not like the fact that I had to go into larger discs. And I don't know, it actually does become a little bit more bulkier with the cover. You guys, if you guys are currently using or have used a disc bound or a half letter, let me know what your thoughts are in regards to the cover and the expander disc. I don't think the expander disc bothered me as much as the cover does. The fact that it flops open like that. But when you open it, I love it. So I'm not sure. It is the first day. But this is what the planner looks like. I have not put anything on the inside. So this is the planner, the one for the pick. So this is the planner that I'm going to be using for Q2 of 2023, which would be April, May, and June. I'm super excited because I have been using it already for about 2.5 weeks and I have enjoyed it. I don't know what it is because obviously it's bigger than the Personal Wide and it's bigger than the Franklin Covey compact binder. But it just gave me that rush that I have been missing for the last few months. Well, it's been about four or five weeks. It started happening there at the end of the year. I wanted to pick something new, but I couldn't come up with the ideas of what I wanted. So I went ahead and started the year with what I was already using instead of putting the pressure of having to change it. And I rather put it on cruise control when it comes to my planning, and if it's working, why changed it? And then it didn't actually popped in my head until probably the second week of February that I wanted a change. And this is the baby that I'm going to be using. I'm super excited about this planner. It is a very chunky planner, as I showed you earlier. These discs are pretty big, but I'm still super excited. Guys, please share down below what you are going to be using for the second quarter of 2023 or for April of 2023. I'll be more than happy to see anything that everybody is using. I like to see it. It motivates me. And if you guys have any questions, anything that you would like to see on the channel, please don't hesitate to leave it down below. Thank you so much for spending the last few minutes with me. And don't forget to stay tuned because I am going to have a video on a flip through of this beauty. Thank you so much, guys. Yes, have a great night. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.